What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have Supra up on the screen, the one-day price chart. Full disclosure, I don't own any, but you guys over here on X and YouTube have been very supportive from this community, so I told you I'd keep you in touch throughout alt season. Now, this is the Supra price chart here, the one-day chart. I have this percentage being drawn from March of 2025. You can see we're down 93.61% from the price. Now, I flipped this over to Supra, and the data doesn't go back as far. This is the market cap chart, so the amount of real dollars actually in Supra. You can see from that point in time in March, market cap's down 82.8%, while the price is down 93.6%. So what does that tell me? There's some kind of inflationary pressure on Supra, right? Tokens being released onto the market, rewards, stuff like that. I don't know. I don't own the token. But what I do know is we have to do the TA on the market cap chart here and then extrapolate that data over to the price chart to figure out what prices we're going to be looking at. So right here on the market cap chart, you can tell that we've just been bouncing off this upper trend line now, most recently back in November. This is the daily chart, just been bouncing off of it. And this is a relatively young coin. It's only like a year old. And with the market cap being as low as it is, the market cap right now, 24 million. I don't touch anything under 200 million typically. So it's not going to take a lot of dollars coming into this thing for this to pop off. But what I will say is the next area of interest for me, and we can't discount it, is up here around like the 50 million mark. So that's like a 2x, about a 2x from where we're at right now, price-wise. So you look, yeah, we'll say like 50, right up around there, right? If this thing moves back up, 50 to 53 million. That's the area I would be interested in, looking at taking some, not financial advice, but if it was me, I'd be taking some off the table up there because of 1, 2, almost 3, 4, 5, right? It's obviously channeling there. Now, eventually, could it break out? Absolutely. But we could do the same thing similarly down here if we're trying to connect as many of these bottoms as we can. Bottom, bottom, a little bit of overthrow, bottom, bottom. You look at potential support down here right around the 22 million mark. So for now, certainly looks range bound between the 22 million and the 53 million. But again, right, it doesn't take a lot of capital for this thing to get going relative to what's going on in the rest of the market. Additionally, you look up here, though, later this month, and you do see that on this drawdown, the 236 right here, there's an intersection with that upper trend line over there and at the 236, again, right at 50 million. So for me in next moves, that's what I would be looking for here, guys, is a move up to this 50 million level, right? All right, so percentage-wise, what is that looking like? Like a 2.1x, 111%. All right, so let's take the price. Let's go up 111% from where we're at. Where does that bring us? Pretty much back up into these tops right here, which from a price perspective makes sense as well. You got this top here. You got that top here. That's the level I would be looking at, right around like 2.4 cents. And I'm not saying that that's the end of the run. I'm just saying on the short term here, with this type of drawdown, that's the level I would be looking at based on the market cap chart. Okay, this could also be the moment, though, where it's like beach ball underwater, pressure builds, bam, pops off, because I do believe an alt season is coming. And Supra can get much higher than where it's at right now, especially with the all-time market cap's even higher than this 140 million because this doesn't go back far enough, right? Compared to the price chart that goes all the way back here. So let's see, I could actually probably tell you, what is that? So that's like 4.5 times the market cap there, 4.5 times 140 million. I didn't make that easy on myself. Either way, we're between 500 and a billion on the market cap for Supra back then. So just got to be patient. This is super low, super suppressed right now. But once we get back up into that 2.4 cent level, that's when my alerts would start going off here for Supra. So that's what I got for you guys on the shorter time frame. Join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord channel, and I teach you how to do TA just like me. Link to that in the bio. If not, just super appreciative you guys are here. If you could follow, like, repost. I want to get this out to as many people as I can before it's too late. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.